Hi, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. This is Kiko Javier. Yes, I'm speaking to you live dito po sa SM Cebu. Alright, it's a Monday morning. Guys, believe me, it's a blessing, it's a privilege, and it's really a great joy to be able to just go around, shop, do your groceries on a Monday morning while everybody else is probably busy rushing in their offices, no? So ito po yung isa sa mga benepisyo ng pagiging Supreme Wealth Alliance member, wherein you can actually enjoy life, no? Even on a very busy Monday, no? Just relaxing. Why? Because here in Supreme Wealth Alliance, we're just doing everything online, Facebook lang, no? Again, I'd like to speak to you about the licenses, no? Kaya po may marami po nagki-question about our legality, no? Is Supreme Wealth Alliance legal or is it a scam, no? Ano ba yung mga documents niyan? Meron ba yung DTI? Meron ba yung SEC? Alright, so finally I'd like to speak to you about it. And yes, first we are on pre-launch, no? And we are now securing, no? We are in the process of securing our offshore license, no? So hindi po tayo malilisensya dito sa Pilipinas because we are not a local company. We are an online company operating on cyberspace, okay? Sa cyberspace pang operation natin. We are not occupying any space in the Philippines para kailangan po natin ng DTI or SEC, no? So hindi lang po tayo sa Pilipinas, no? Katulad po ng mga establishments na nakikita nyo rito. Okay, any establishments that you see when you go around, physically they need to secure a mayor's permit or any license because they occupy a space in that country, no? So ang space po na ino-occupy natin sa ere, no? Nasa labas po tayo ng Pilipinas, nandun po tayo sa cyberspace. So we need to get a license from the authorities na ganun din po ang klase ng mga businesses nasa cyberspace. Okay, so we are actually securing our license, our incorporation papers sa isang offshore authorities, no? Sila po yung mga nagbibigay ng mga lisensya sa mga nasa online business. So don't worry about it. We're taking care of that and we will definitely come out with it on or before our grand launch on August 8, no? So wag po kayo mag-alala. This is a legal and a legitimate company. Pero nauna lang po tayo mag-operate. That's why we are on pre-launch. Again, if you feel like you are disturbed, if you feel like parang malabo, hindi mo gusto yung ganong klaseng agreement, wala pang license, nag-ooperate na. So please, give yourself a favor. Don't join now. Okay? Don't join us now. Okay? Wait for everything to be furnished, no? Wait until ma-present namin sa inyo that we are a legitimate company already. So please, if you feel like hindi mo gusto yung ganong usapan, please, do yourself a favor, do us a favor as well, huwag ka muna mag-join. Okay, you just wait. Okay, but again, for those na hindi yun big deal, na? For the people po na hindi big deal sa inyo yung ganon, and you are willing to take the risk, na? You can continue what you're doing. Ganito lang naman po mangyayari. If you join us, within 24 hours that we have confirmed your payment, we will give you your products. Okay, that's a guarantee. And if you can ask around kung mayroong problema na na-encounter na ganon. Okay, just feel for yourself. No? First, you give us your money, we give you your products. Then, if you start earning because you have shared this opportunity to friends, you withdraw your commission, we give you your money. No? So, yun po muna ang arrangement natin. Very important arrangement. Even without the licenses, you join, we give you your product, you earn, we give you your money. Yun ang bantayan natin yung dalawang points na yun. Okay? If we mess up doon sa dalawang points na yun, then we have a problem. This company has a problem. Okay? So yun po. So, just to clarify everything, we are in the process. Nangyayari po ngayon, ano? Sinasubmit na po natin yung all the requirements for us to be incorporated as a legal online company operating in cyberspace. Okay, maraming salamat po. This is Coach Kiko. God bless everybody.